Right, so we're at Mobile World Congress again, and I see that Fibocom is debuting multiple advancements to drive more intelligent, faster connection for industry. Could you introduce some of the things that you're showing at this show?
Okay, well, it's my honor to represent Fibocom to show in MWC this big event yearly. So because you see, if you look at our slogan this year, it's accelerated connectivity and intelligence future. And we hide AI into this slogan. And also as a traditional 5G and cellular connectivity providers, we're doing the telecommunication technology for more than 20 years. So in the future, this year, we launched a lot of activities and demos to show the new proof of concept and innovations for 5G, AI, and combined together. And also we show some new devices along with our customer and ecosystem partners on FWA, smart metering and POS, and some new AR, VR devices based on smart module.
Fibocom has launched a master report today. Could you tell us what it includes and where the audience can read it?
So in the last year, we put a lot of energy and research on this report, which deep dive in several segments like FWA, private network, edge computing, and some like a smart tracking on some areas for that. And if you see this year, we have launched a lot of new products. For example, we launched the SC1701, which is based on Qualcomm high-end computing power chipset, so which can make a lot of AI and a new smart algorithm computing inside the module. And also we have some other products to enhance the vertical IoT ecosystem's evolution to the next generation. So there is too much detail on this report. I think you can take a more detail into the reports.
So what's the expectation for the next generation RedCap in 3GPP release 18? And what's Fibocom's RedCap product strategy for the IoT market?
Well, if you look at the next generation 5G, we can see there is a new protocol 3GPP release 18 in the future. And most of the industry ecosystem partners, we call it the 5.5 G, which is like in 4G times, we have 4G advanced or 4.5G. So in this new generation, there are two paths. One is super high speed to 10 Gbps. The other path is to swap the 4G IoT devices to 5G, which have the low speed but the low power consumption requirement devices, like a metering, like a tracking, some devices. So in these two trends, the two technologies have different focus. High speed, which focus on how to leverage the frequency in the much higher efficiency. But for the low speed requirement, that is will have more sensitive on the latency of network slicing to protect the consumer use data's safety. So that is two different trends. Yes, and we will prepare different product series mapping to next release. For the more high speed, we have next generation like X72. In our module series is FX180 and FX190 series. And for the low speed, we are now still in developing with new chipset makers in the next generation because the release is not 100% fixed.
So our home is evolving into a smart hub with technological innovations such as 5G millimeter wave. Wi-Fi 7, Matter, and the core of intelligence is empowered by fixed wireless access devices. Yeah. So what's Fibocom's offering in accelerating 5G fixed wireless access adoption? And how does the future for the smart home look for you?
Past the year, we have a lot of discussion, brainstorming on how to make the FWA devices into more benefit with the home or enterprise customers. Actually, we find that there might be a path that in the future, because of the AI is accelerating, and we can make some algorithm and computing power into the CPU devices, so that can proactively give some recommendation to the customers. Because you can see most of the FWA is in home scenario, but many home scenarios behavior and the different people in there is very similar. So they can have a lot of behavior behaviors trained based on AI or algorithm. Like when you open your air conditioner, when you close light, when you send your children to the school, and then what do you need by controlling all your home devices. So with the FWA devices, like a home's heart maybe in your home. So that we are now doing some new innovations based on Matter, based on Wi-Fi 7, which you can see in the recent 2 years. We have some innovation launch with our ecosystem partners that shows the demo or proof of concept that with a Matter or some new technology inside of the CPE, you can connect with your massive home intelligence or sensors together and collect the information and also know what is something you might need, what service you might need in your home. So that will make the more easier and more convenient home experience for the future. And also for the enterprise, like in Starbucks, some behaviors can be simulated. So we can use AI to predict the user behavior based on the data we collected. Then we can proactively give the customer the best suggestion. That is our insight of the future. Yeah.
Thanks very much. That's
Yeah.
great.